Hello everyone and welcome to my video where we are going to be talking about the promotions of the month of December in the market of USA and global access. Global access, or in short, GAC, it means the products of doTERRA, once you purchase them, they will come from the United States. So there is no doTERRA in your country per se, but you will receive your products shipped directly from doTERRA USA. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. We are going to be basically talking about the essential oils that are being promoted this month. Again, this is in the US market only and global access. So let's start with the product of the month. As you already know, every first of every month, doTERRA gives us the product of the month. This is a free product that you can receive if you make an order that month before the 15th of the month with a minimum of 125 PV. And now what PV means is points value. Every single product of doTERRA has a pointage, or this is how it's being counted, right? We do have a pointing scale. So once you reach 125 points, now pay attention to that because we're not talking about money or your local coin. We're talking about points. And once you reach those 125 points in your auto shipment, you will receive this amazing oil this month. And that is the balsam fir. Now, balsam fir comes from Canada and they distill it from the branches. And this is basically like a pine tree. So it has very high levels of pinene. Two of the major constituents of balsam fir are the alpha pinene and beta pinene, which this means is that it has a very strong pine tree smell to it. Okay. Now, it is not made for internal use, so please do not drink this oil. This is only made for topical and aromatic. So you can diffuse it in your essential oils to give you a energetic and soothing atmosphere, or you can mix it with a coconut fractionated oil or any other oil for massages and massage your back or your arms, shoulders, whatever area of your body you may want to massage. And that's also going to give you a very relaxing massage, and is excellent to relaxation. Okay. Also will help you to sleep better because after a massage, everybody can sleep better. So I will leave the links below this video here, so that way, in case if you want to find out more about balsam fir and where it comes from, we do have a podcast here that you can listen to straight from doTERRA, and that will give you more insight. But for the most part, to round it up, this is what you will receive this month of December in the USA and global access markets if you make your order before the 15th of the month with a minimum of 125 PV. Okay. And they are also giving you ornament. So if you do celebrate Christmas, doTERRA will gift you a small ceramic ornament. It actually is pretty cute and it looks like a snowflake. It's right here. Okay, now this is for me one of the things why I love doTERRA, because they're so generous, especially around this time of the year. So doTERRA has been known, and we all already expect to receive a free frankincense essential oil from doTERRA. And that is amazing. Frankincense is called the king of oils. and it really is the king of oils. It is one of the pricey oils, so it's up there in price, but it really is not that pricey when you look at the benefits of this amazing essential oil. So in order for you to get the frankincense for free this month in doTERRA, you do need to make a order of a minimum of 200 PV, okay? And doTERRA will give this to you for free. Now, I do have certain, I want to show you some of the benefits of frankincense in here. So frankincense, the doTERRA frankincense, I'm sorry, is actually 3 different types of frankincense. So we all know that frankincense comes from a tree called Boswellia. It's a Boswellia tree and is being actually used for centuries. Okay, so Babylonians and Assyrians would burn the tree resin in religious ceremonies, and will do this also for contemplative meditation. Okay, the ancient Egyptians used it in perfumes and salves for soothing skin, and doTERRA frankincense essential oil is a priority blend of resin from 4 species. I'm sorry, I said 3, but it's 4 different species of Boswellia trees. It is the Boswellia carteri, Boswellia sacra, Boswellia pipirifera, and Boswellia freriana. Those are very weird names. But think about the potency of this essential oil. It is 3 different types of resin that comes from these 3. I'm sorry, 4 different types of frankincense in essence, right? So it is an extraordinary essential oil for lots of health benefits if you use it topically and internally. So this essential oil you can actually use internally, topically, aromatically, and you don't need to dilute it also. Now, it's always a good rule of thumb to dilute any essential oil in newborn babies, just in case, because their skin is so sensitive. Their sinuses are still very sensitive. But trust me when I tell you this, if by any chance you tap onto this essential oil and your baby born, it just smells it, it will be okay. All right, nothing is gonna happen. So it's very safe to use, including in animals as well. So some of the uses are, like I said, meditation. A lot of people use it to nourish the skin, and you can use it also for memory. It is great for helping the retention of memory. So I use it a lot with my son with autism when he's having any sort of anxiety, or any stress, depression, any of those emotions that can actually, damage his way of thinking or his cognitive skills. This essential oil helps them so, so much. So I completely recommend it. Okay. All right. So let's go back. So you get the essential oil for free with a 200 PV order, but you don't have to wait until the 15th of the month. You actually have the whole month of December to get this amazing, amazing promo. Okay. Now, also in the USA and Global Access, we do have the Myrrh at 10% off, but it's not the 15 ml, it's actually a 5 ml bottle. So I know, myrrh is actually a very expensive essential oil as well. So for doTERRA to think about us and say, hey, we're gonna give you a 5 ml, because this size of myrrh is not found usually. So they just gave us this promotion at 5 millimeter essential oil of myrrh, a 5 millimeter bottle, and it's at 10% off. So you can get myrrh and frankincense. And let me tell you that myrrh, I actually want to tell you some of the benefits of myrrh. So myrrh, it says in here that ancient records show that myrrh resin was deemed so valuable that at times it was valued at its weight in gold. Myrrh has been used for centuries for various purposes and has a long history of use in traditional wellness practices and religious ceremonies. Today, myrrh can be found in many perfumes, and myrrh essential oil is derived from the gummy resin of a small thorny myrrh tree. It has warm, earthy, and slightly sweet aroma. Myrrh is reported to be beneficial for oral health, oral hygiene, and it may help calming when applied to the skin and help promote youthful looking skin when used with other oils. Now, myrrh, you can use it in every single way too, just like frankincense. You can use it internally, topically, aromatically, and it doesn't need dilution, okay? But again, if it's a baby born or a person that is really, really old, I do recommend it to dilute it with a fractionated coconut oil. Okay. Now, I'm going to leave this link in here because I don't want to make this video too long, but we have tons of recipes that you can use myrrh for. You can use like cuticle creams. You can do a razor relief serum. You can mix it with frankincense, lavender, tea tree, helichrysum, and so many other oils. But another thing that I want to point out here is the studies that have been done in the mixture of these two amazing oils, frankincense and myrrh. When you put these two oils together, they do have a synergy that it actually brings the benefits of frankincense and myrrh into a higher gear. And I did a quick Google research, and I love Google research now because now you have all the references as well, and you can do your own research on your own time, but I just want to point out some of the few benefits when we mix these two amazing essential oils together. So it can be beneficial, and it could inhibit the activity of receptors of um, the tyrosine protein kinases. Basically, it helps prevent cancer. Okay. Also, it helps to alleviate pain relief. Also, it helps with any wound healing. So if you have a scar, surgery done, and you want to make sure that the wound and the scar heals pretty rapidly and well, um, when you mix frankincense and myrrh, that can really help out with that. It also helps with anti-inflammatory issues. So we do know that any issues in our bodies, any sickness, any malfunction will create inflammation. It's just the way it is. The problem is when inflammation doesn't go away, and that's when we start feeling a lot of pain, like arthritis, right? So our joints start accumulating all this mass between, and that's creating inflammation, and that's why our joints start hurting. So when we mix frankincense and myrrh together, it helps to prevent and to bring that inflammation down. Isn't that amazing? So I just want to point that out. Skin health benefits, we do know that frankincense and myrrh by themselves are really, really good for your skin. So if you want to look younger, if you want to get rid of any wrinkles, any acne scars, or anything like that, it can really help you out with those skin issues. So those are some of the things. Another thing that helps with a lot is memory. So There's been tons and tons of studies where frankincense mixed with myrrh or frankincense itself will help with memory. So if you're starting to forget where you left your keys at, or where is my phone, or maybe you already miss your phone all the time, but you want to improve that, frankincense and myrrh will be great, great essential oils to help you to recover or to help you to be better on that, right? Okay. Anyway, enough about that. I just wanted to let you know a little bit of these two amazing, amazing essential oils. And I think that you cannot go wrong. Trust me when I tell you, try them out. You won't regret it. Anyway, if you do not have a doTERRA account, please contact the person that's sharing this video with you. This person can help you to open your account. You do need a distributor. You do need somebody that guides you and helps you to find the best deals and the best ways to use these essential oils. Please contact that person. And once you open your doTERRA account, you will have a choice to pick a gift. doTERRA is giving you a free gift once you open your doTERRA account for this month, okay? Remember, these promotions are only for the United States, and they're only for the month of December. We don't know what's going to happen in January, but this is for now, okay? And you can pick from a diffuser or either a hand soap dispenser with the hand soap or a toothpaste. So there you have it, guys. You can go ahead and pick your gifts. Also, let me know if you have any questions or if there's somebody that you need to contact with. Let me know. I will be more than happy to help you. And I hope that you have an amazing month. Many of us were celebrating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. So I pray that you have a blessed December. And if you celebrate Hanukkah or whatever celebrations you have happening this month, be blessed, be good, and remember that we're here to help you in that. I hope you have a good day.